problema ko sa kakampings, tumayo sila sa usapin ng korupsyon. Tapos ngayon, ayaw mong banatan, 1.5 trillion to 1.9 trillion nawawala, ayaw mong magsalita. Ako, ine-echo ko yung sinabi ni May Paner kahapon.
Yes.
Na, bakit titindig ako sa EDSA 40 years after that I'm not allowed to say, to call for the resignation?
Yes.
Hindi yun EDSA. Yun ang problema ko sa Dilaw at sa Pink. Kasi isa lang naman yung permutation, di ba? Sa Makabayan, yung din ang tanong ko, ikaw, close ka sa peace process. Alam mo na ang Marcos, issue yan sa kanila.
Yes.
Ngayon, ayaw niyong sabihin,
Ano nangyayari?
pasensyahan tayo. Kasi kami, ang anti-Marcos block, we will call it as it is. Where is the 1.5 to 1.9 trillion that you pocketed?
Yan.
What happened? Babalik ulit tayo dun sa flood control projects.
They
Kasi yun
cannot
ang
ignore
ina-avoid.
it.
Yes.
These are...
And that is a campaign issue, ha?
Yes, yes. And these are major issues for that matter. But
Yes.
So,
we're more than Facebook friends kasi every year, hindi kami nagmimintis magbatian ng Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
During social.
Ayan, oo nga.
Tapos pinanonood ko si Nani, anong ginagawa nito? Farmer? Really?
so does the early announcement of VP Sara define the 2028 elections?
Oh, definitely, Trixie. Kasi conventional wisdom would require you 18 months of preparation.
18
from
months.
E-Day. So technically, she should have made that announcement by December 2026. So you need some time before the COC filing and some time after the filing. But
December 2025, you mean?
2026.
26 this
Oo,
year.
this
Dapat.
year, dapat. So when she made that early declaration last Wednesday, she's actually getting 28 months of preparation. Oo. So, good in the sense that she really has to do a lot of preparations from the political
Yes,
party, and we know that, and
Yes.
from the funds, di ba? Alam
Yes.
naman natin yan, and the organization on the ground. But because there are some analysts who are saying that she's open to early attack. And I do not agree with that, simply because she is not Villar and she is not Binay.
At saka, Ate Malu, yung kandidatong hindi na-atake, irrelevant.
Oo, di ba?
Since
And it
2022,
goes both sides.
Ano nga ni Manong Maceda, di ba? Ni Manong Ernie, sabi niya, bad news is still good news.
news.
Oo.
Oo.
Pag ikaw ang talk of the town.
Correct.
But itong announcement niya, I thought it was good for a 3-day news cycle. But
ito
we're
pa.
like
Na.
5th.
Yes.
So it's interesting.
Do you think the early announcement of VP Sara has forced the hands of the administration and other forces, di ba, to either announce early or form coalitions to defeat si
Well, when
si
she
VP Sara?
announced, everybody reacted. The administration was kind of forced to, sino ba ang ating kandidato? Sino ba ang ating mamanukin? Di ba? And the other hand, the opposition, quote-unquote, because I would classify Vice President Duterte as anti-Marcos bloc. Because the opposition is being framed differently. So
The kakampings, you mean?
Oo, so
Okay,
yung
okay.
kakampings, yung Dilaw, yung Makabayan, abay, kailangan sila mag-agree muna yung terms of engagement. Di ba kung alliance ka, yun ang pinakamahirap, yung terms of engagement, ba't ba tayo magsasama-sama?
Yes.
Bago pa umabot dun sa sino ang ating mamanukin. Napakahirap
Yes.
nun.
I agree with
Di
you.
ba?
Many steps before a coalition can be formed.
Yes, and by that time, even if you have an impeachment case, she is front runner. Whether you consider her as, sabi nga nung isang congressman, unbeatable. Not unbeatable. Wala naman nung nagsasabi na ang isang kandidato ay not unbeatable.
Ang sabi po ni Joey Salceda, the former congressman, misguided daw yung early announcement.
Hindi siya misguided kasi calibrated. I would say it's a Queen's Gambit hybrid. Kasi talagang inilaan niya yung sarili niya, di ba, impeachment.
Yeah, you move the Queen.
Oo, inilaan niya yung sarili niya, o sige, iibahin ko yung framing, iibahin ko yung arena. Sa arena ng impeachment, defendant siya. Sa arena ng 2028, frontrunner siya.
Yes,
Hindi ko sinasabing panalo, ha? Kaya nga ako, I'm very conservative when I run campaigns. I always define my candidate as losing.
Did you have a hand
No,
sa
none.
decision?
None. I was in fact so surprised. Kasi nung huli namin pag-uusap...
Mukha nga po.
Oo, diba? So surprised ako kasi sabi ko...
The shock is still there.
Oo, na sabi ko, bakit ang aga? Naku, sandali lang. So, I went back to my numbers and
Yes.
I came up with scenario. Sabi ko, pwede. So, by the time she made an announcement, she gave me a copy of the speech. I was outside of Metro Manila. Trying,
Before the announcement?
Oo, kasi stress na ako doon sa, basta may nangyari, I was so stressed. Sabi ko, alis muna ako, magpahinga muna ako. Tapos when I received the copy of the speech, hindi ko naman binasa yung last page. Sabi ko, humihingi ng paumanhin, blah, 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 realization, peaceably accepted my fate, blah, blah, blah. Wala akong driver, di ako nagda-drive. Maya-maya, yung mga staff ko sabi, may announcement na ginawa. Tumigil ako sa isang gasolinahan, tinignan ko ulit, na andun pala sa dulo. Oo, kaya sabi ko, good, kasi it gave the anti-Marcos bloc a leader. Diba? Definite
Yes.
na leader siya. Pangalawa, it could lessen the sikuhan of all the parallel. Si Trixie, alam niya ito. There's so many coming from the 2022 elections.
Yes,
She believes in the power of parallel groups. Na yung ibang politiko ayaw ng parallel kasi ang gulo. Sabi ko, alam mo, pag gumugulo yan at nagbabanggaan, kumikilos yung parallel, payaan mo. Pero ayaw nila yun kasi...
That's a plus.
Oo, chaos
Diba?
daw, di ba? Sabi ko, maganda nga yun, hindi nakikita ng kalaban mo kung saan, di ba?
Exactly,
So,
yeah.
I was so surprised and then when I finally got to talk to her, sabi ko, sinong may alam? Alam ba ng tatay mo? Hindi alam ng tatay. Ang nanay niya, alam.
Yes.
Nagsabi daw siya na maaga.
May napansin lang po ako, no?
Hindi lang alam ni Ma'am kung kailan.
Kung kailan. May napansin lang ako, ma'am, the campaigns were very active this past weeks. No? So, you have the president going to Naga, Senator Risa was in the Kalayaan
Kalayaan
Group of
ng
Islands.
Islands.
Tapos si Senator Bang Aquino naman, yung Mayors for Good Governance dito sa Quezon City.
Quezon City,
With the help of Mayor Joy Belmonte. Then you have the upcoming EDSA celebration this week.
Yeah.
So, well, technically, they're now very active in media. But the problem I see is, wala silang single candidate.
Tama ka, Nani.
Wala eh.
Diba? At kung magko-contrast ka doon sa opposition, sa tingin ko ang nakapag-contrast ng maayos na maayos was Senator Bam. When he said the local courts should try PRRD. Tapos, di ba kinuyog siya? So sabi ko, So, sa kanila, wala pa, tama si Manong Frank, mag-agree muna tayo sa paano ba tayo magsasama-sama. Yun ang napakahirap.
And Manong Frank, being a good politician,
Shoot,
recognizes
yes,
the strength of VP Sara. You have to respect yung kalaban para makabuo kayo ng koalisyon. That's what he's saying, I think.
Yeah,
And if you look at the numbers, when you look at the base of the Duterte, she's good to 30 to 35% today.
No.
So she has a consolidated base.
Sa survey, 42% na yung latest.
Yun sa kanya. Pero ito, I'm talking of the base.
The base,
Oo.
okay.
Ganong kalaki yung base sa
Yes.
buong Pilipinas? 30 to 35%.
That's Mindanao and
Mindanao
portions
and
of
Visayas.
At kumakain pa sa Luzon.
So kung
Yes.
kumain ka,
Increasing in
Increasing.
kung
NCR.
kumain ka sa Luzon, ang kailangan mo lang sa Luzon, 12 to 15%. Para hindi may dilute. Kasi kung titingnan mo, hindi na dadilute ang Mindanao. Mindanao makes her buoyant. In
Yes.
all the surveys, it's always Mindanao.
So,
Keeps her afloat.
Yes, yes.
That's what you're saying
Oo,
po.
yeah. And then, if you look at ano ba ang history ng Duterte votes? 2016, 2019, napasok siya sa national realm, si Inday Sara, leading us late, na iba sa tatay niya. I mean, it's really out of the playbook na nakagawian natin sa politika.
Unpredictable,
And then 2022, she ran with a Marcos, diba? And then 2025, she used her capital for Duterte 10 and certain local candidates. So that's 4 election cycles. How can you compare that with Villar and Binay?
Ate, question lang to. Ito walang bayad itong tanong na to. But you will have to come up with an answer. What is the Duterte brand? And if you were to brand, di ba, the Kakampings alone, and the president puts up his candidate, how would you brand the Kakampings and the versus the Duterte brand?
Ang hirap,
Alam mo, Nani, ang problema ko.
Walang bayad nga.
Magbe-benefit yung mga kakampings. Ang problema ko sa kakampings, tumayo sila sa usapin ng korupsyon. Tapos ngayon, ayaw mong banatan, 1.5 trillion to 1.9 trillion nawawala, ayaw mong magsalita. Ako, ine-echo ko yung sinabi ni May Paner kahapon.
Yes.
Na, bakit
Sabi ni May,
titindig ako sa EDSA 40 years after that I'm not allowed to say,
correct,
to call for
question,
the resignation.
Yes.
Hindi yun EDSA. Yun ang problema ko sa Dilaw at sa Pink. Kasi isa lang naman yung permutation, di ba?
Tama.
Sa Makabayan, yun din ang tanong ko. Ikaw, close ka sa peace process. Alam mo na ang Marcos, issue yan sa kanila.
Yes.
Ngayon, ayaw niyong sabihin, ay,
Ano nangyayari?
pasensyahan tayo. Kasi kami, ang anti-Marcos bloc, we will call it as it is. Where is the 1.5 to 1.9 trillion that you pocketed?
Yan.
What happened? Babalik ulit tayo dun sa flood control projects.
They
Kasi yun
cannot
ang
ignore
ina-avoid.
it.
Yes.
These are...
And that is a campaign issue, ha?
Yes, yes. And these are major issues for that matter. But
Yes.
They
who
can't
among
do
the-
like BBM does na I won't dignify that question. They can't keep avoiding it, and that's what they've been doing.
And you know, Trixie, the worst part, in the election, itong paghahanda natin, dadaan pa tayo ng ilang bagyo eh. Merong
Sure.
proof na, Ghost Project, ay substandard. Hindi ba yun anti-incumbency?
Hindi, at saka napaka-extreme yung reaction na walang flood control projects. Kasi hindi naman titigil yung bahay.
Oo,
With
di ba?
climate change, it will become worse.
Yes,
No?
become
Okay.
worse.
Now, who among do you think yung posibleng makalaban ni VP Sara ang single biggest threat sa kanya? Senator Tulfo, Senator Ontiveros, John Vic Remulla,
Hindi ko nakikita
Bam
yung
Aquino.
numero nila eh. When I say numero, yung core.
Core. Okay.
Wala pa silang core. Si John Vic, probably Cavite, but after, si Revilla, si Kiko Barsaga, basta
Yeah,
Cavite, ano ka
correct,
naman, di ba sa
correct.
local, di mo yung gagawin.
Okay.
They're
Si
desperate na at this
Hontiveros,
point,
probably Western Visayas, and she's claiming it, speaking
Yes.
Ilonggo. Tulfo, hindi ko rin nakikita may baluarte. Quezon City probably, but
But
not
very
tested. Popular. But popularity
Yeah.
doesn't transcend to
Translate.
base.
To actual votes for
Oo.
base for that matter.
Oo, kaya ito, kahit nabalik-balik ta rin yung si Inday Sara, abay may 30 yan to 35%. Kayo ba may ganon?
Si Ma'am Lenny yung pinakamalapit eh. At 23%
That's
ata, if I'm
right.
not mistaken
Oo,
po.
oo.
So that's a difference of about 10-12 million votes. If
Yes,
elections were held
yes,
today.
Yes.
right,
Diba?
right.
Matagal pa naman. So,
At
very
saka
possible na makahabol.
Ang mga, what do you call this, ang Bicolano,
Solid ba?
Solid parate.
yan, talaga, from Rocco, lahat yan, ganyan
Regardless
talaga.
of party,
Oo.
Bicolano.
Totoo,
Pero
totoo.
ako, ang kuwang ko lang kay si Mayor Robredo, alam naman niya ang Robredo brand nang galing sa anti-Marcos.
Yes.
Kaya ako na siya shock. Seriously, matutuwa ka? Ginawang pink ang medyas?
But do you think it will
Diba?
erode? Do you
Parang
think
hello, suot ka naman ng t-shirt, ng cup na pink, huwag mo ituro yung medyas. Insulto yun sa kanya.
Tinatapak-tapakan yun eh.
Robredo eh.
Sec Jess is a good
Oo,
friend,
si
a dear
Jessie.
friend.
Yeah.
Chinelas,
Real-time
ano
makaibigan
pala,
ako.
no?
Oh.
Chinelas
That I did not
diplomacy
see.
siya eh.
Oh, yeah. Kaya sabi ko, ituturo mo, it was one Sunday when I saw, oh my God, this is a bad optics. You don't point to your
Do you think that will
medyas.
erode her base? Yung it's a huge conflict
You know,
eh.
Trixie, she ran on a moralist campaign eh.
Exactly.
Di ba? Introduce religion, introduce what is right, what is wrong. And now you are with the,
Yeah.
di ba? Parang, hello, parang nananaginip ba ako? Si Kwan ba ito? Si Robredo ba ito? And then, given 500 million for the Robredo Coliseum,
nabasa ko na
which is
yun.
bigger than what he gave in Cebu for the typhoon
for-
victims. So, the optics are bad. Kaya nga sabi ko, whoever is handling, and I used to handle samahang tsinelas for Lenny. Oo, na nagalit yung mga liberal, ba't lang siya daw lang ang tinutulungan ko? I owe that to my friend, si Jessie. So
Yes,
sabi
yeah.
ko,
He's a good friend and a dear friend. Yes po.
meron kasing prinsipyo ang Robredo brand eh.
Yes.
Di ba?
May plataforma.
Oo, ginawa nga nila ng libro. Kaya hawak-hawak ko yung libro nung tinitingnan ko tumuturo sa medyas. Si Jessie, hindi naman ganun.
Kaya ako po, I'm not in favor of color-coded politics.
Yes.
Kasi it's related to the person, not with the platform.
That's true.
Yun ang problema ko. But,
Oo.
you know, hindi posible na dalawa lang yung maglalaban for president.
Oo.
It could be a three-cornered fight. It could even be a four-cornered fight. Considering that some senators can go back to Senate
Right.
kapag natalo sa eleksyon.
At nani, ang history natin post-EDSA, an average of 8 candidates per election cycle. Presidente.
Presidente. Oh.
Biro mong dami nun, sa 8. Kung wala kang base, mahihirapan ka.
Ayan.
So, labanan nyo ng base.
Prof, the opposition declared that they will announce their bets at the end of this year. I moved up na, no? At the end of this year, do you think they made a united decision who they're going to fill this
to be able to
early?
do that, dapat buo sila.
Oo nga, pero ano ko, but before you answer this question, the spokes will return after this short break.
The spokes is back, still with Professor Malu Tikia. Our hanging question, the opposition declared that they will announce their bets at the end of this year. Do you think they have made a united decision whom to fill this early?
I don't think they have. I don't think they will.
Personally, I think they're still in chaos right now.
Oo, I think they should come up with the terms of engagement probably by the second quarter. And from then, test the balloons. Trial balloons, lahat yan eh. Kung sino yung i-endorse. Kasi para silang magsama-sama, kung ang pagsasama-sama lang nila ay dahil ayaw nilang banatan si Marcos, madali. Pero kung ang pagsasama-sama nila dahil sa prinsipyo ng bawat grupo, doon mahirap.
Question lang po, follow up lang po. Will this again go through the process of one sambayan o one sambayanan? Well, one sambayan po ata.
Yeah.
Well, there are several candidates then came up with Ma'am Lenny as the candidate.
Pero that should be made very clear kasi ano yon, run-off ba sila?
The process by which to select
Di ba?
wala pa
yes, yes.
Kasi
silang
pag
ganon,
hindi klarado yung process, baka
Mag-break.
at pag nag-break, sino mananalo?
Now I remember Mayor Isko.
Oh, di ba?
Yan.
Yes, di ba?
Yeah.
So ikaw magugulat ka sa tumatakbo ka dahil kalaban kay Lenny, babasagin mo si Lenny, maghihiwa-hiwalay kayo, paano? And then remember that presser where everyone was there and they were hitting on Lenny Robredo.
Yes.
So you kind of wonder.
Holy Week ata yun.
Oo, parang
Nagulat
Easter
ako
Sunday.
kasi
Oo, so
Sila Senator
nakakagulat.
Ping magkasama. Okay.
Yes.
Very odd.
Oo,
For
so
ano.
ikaw rin, yung ba ang direksyon ng ating politika?
Yes.
Alam mo, ang reform na nais ko sana, yung political party ang binoboto para less personal. Kunyari sa Malaysia,
I
may
agree.
signal ang mga party, lapis, prutas, yun. So political party ang mag-aaway-away, alam mo kakonti ang gastos. Compared sa personality politics. Ang mahal na ngayon.
May mali sa politika ho natin.
Oo,
We
agree
elect a
ako
president
nun.
pero multi-party yung system.
Agree ako doon.
Okay.
Oo, dapat yun, two-party system lang tayo
Yes,
para
yes.
madali.
Okay. Just to shift things around, the choice of Filipino legal team for PRD's confirmation in The Hague, Medialdea, Bello, Delgra, Liam, Dulay, how do you think they were chosen or were they just invited? What are your thoughts on this?
Ako ang sense ko doon, Attorney Trixie, talagang malalapit sa kanya.
Yes.
So, wala naman doon yung nasama pa nga si Attorney Lim, yun malapit yun sa kanya eh.
Yes,
Hindi naman alam ng lahat ng tao, but the rest are known PRRD boys.
Yes.
So I think it's a level of comfort and confidence of the former president.
I think he's calling his
Yeah.
his old guard.
Yes,
Kumbaga,
yes,
yun
yes.
yan, di ba?
And I like what he wrote. When he
Classic Duterte.
Oo, di ba?
Sino po? Who wrote what?
Si Duterte yung hindi
dun
siya
sa
a-appear. O kine-question yung jurisdiction, sinabi niya doon, linay niya yung predicate. Ako'y dinala dito, ang eroplano, chinarter, tapos ang dulo, mahal ko ang Pilipinas. That's classic.
I remain your faithful
Yeah.
servant.
Question lang mo. Normally, when you go to court, you see your family. Di ba? Pag ikaw ay na-arresto. In this particular instance, since hindi siya mag-a-appear, hindi niya makikita yung pamilya niya, yung mga abogado niya. Only phone calls were allowed. Walang personal visits.
Hindi, lawyers pwedeng personal
Lawyers
visit. Family,
pwede.
hindi pwede.
Pero ang
What's the
family
difference?
has always been there. Nag-rotate nga
Kasi
sila.
Sa
every week
kultura ng
naman
Pilipino
yan,
kasi mabigat yung pamilya.
Oo, yeah.
No, because now he is facing a court. So you need your legal team. It's your legal family now. Take over muna sila.
Okay.
Sorry, yung personal will be set aside for now.
I have to
tama
ask
yun,
that so that people can understand, di ba, on the legal processes.
Do you know
Sa
what-
abroad,
Pero alam mo,
magkaiba eh.
naging close sila ni BP. Dati naman hindi sila close. Dahil dyan sa pagkakatapon sa kanya,
Is that an analysis or a chismis?
ay hindi, analysis
it's-
yun. Naging
it's a
close
fact.
sila.
It's a fact.
Oo,
It's a
kaya sabi ko, maganda rin naman. Naging close sila ni Kitty.
Yes,
Isa pa yung development. Na-accept yung mga girls sa buhay ni PRRD. So, yung mga realidad
Mga
ng
girls,
pamilya, di ba? Oo, di ba? Kaya sabi ko, ay, talaga, maganda naman pala yan. Kasi kung titingnan mo si Inday noong 2022, meron siyang problema. sa tatay.
Yes, it was.
Diba?
At saka kay Bongo, I mean, common knowledge na. Even in her running for VP, mukhang that was a determining factor. Ba't di siya tumakbong president?
That's right.
Technically, based on surveys at that time, sure winner siya.
Sure siya, oo.
Based on surveys at that time.
Yeah.
Yes.
True. So, naging close, nasasaran yung chapter na yon, and they're moving as a family now, which is good.
Yung legal case po nila sa ICC, will that impact on the campaign of President, on VP Sara's campaign?
Oo naman. Kasi ang senaryo na model diyan, kung nandito siya, anong impact? Kung wala siya, anong impact? Kung mamatay siya, anong impact? Lahat doon
God forbid.
Lahat doon positive. Oo, kaya
We've seen that in the past in this country.
Yes.
Yung may namatay, may
Diba?
nagpresidente.
Oo.
Diba?
Si Noynoy was, for experience ko nun, si Noynoy nandun sa tabi.
Ninoy.
Oo, di ba? So, talagang merong impact yung namatay ang isang leader na mahal ng tao. So, si Cory,
Cory,
di ba?
Senaryo lang ho to. Because taga Davao si President Duterte. Wag naman po sana, but I will have to ask this question. I could just imagine the motorcade from Naiya to Davao.
Pag bumalik,
Hindi, pag may nangyari masama.
oo. Ay, talagang, Juan, yan ang talagang protest vote. Hindi mo na yung yan yung sinasabi, kahit mo ugain, tinapo na lahat sa kanya, the moment mamatay.
Again, my apologies, I just have to ask the question because ito yung optics ng politika sa Pilipinas kasi.
But that has been modeled.
So, ang tanong ko lang ko, sino kaya sasakay dun sa taas na
Question, yung impeachment ni VP, do you think this strengthens her underdog narrative o nadadamage yung presidential viability niya?
Alam mo, nung nag-declare siya, karamihan ng kaibigan natin sa Kongreso, sabi, ano ba yan? Ang gulo. Hindi muna ako a-attend. So, quorum is a problem. Pangalawa, merong isa dyan senior leader, umikot na sinabi, wala tayong cash ha, wala tayong cash. Kanya-kanya tayong botohan, wala tayong cash. So, makikita mo, nag-iiba. At the moment ikabit mo ang 2028 sa impeachment, mag-iiba ang behavior ng House of Representatives at ang Senado. Sa Senado, may 12 magre-re-elect. Sa House, lahat sila magre-re-elect. Kung ikaw nga sa kampanya, di ba, ang sabi ko parati sa kampanya, o ngayon ho, pag tinanong kayong korupsyon, sasabihin nyo hindi kayo korap. Di ba? Ang hirap nun sa politiko, na sasabihin hindi ka korap. Tapos sasabihin ng mga taong bayan, ba't ho nawala ang ating bridge? Ba't ho naglaho nung... So corruption is going to be the major trigger
It's the question
for voters to vote incumbents out of office.
Alam mo ate,